Bishop wa Rwenzori Diocese, Right Reverend Ruben Kisembo, yashaba Kristayo okwatanisa na Church of Uganda omuhururu yabo eyokubyara emiti omu byanga byabo kaguma omuhanda ogw'okuyamba aha mpindahinduka y'obwire. Arukuhayo obutumwa bwe omu kushaba kwa Pasika erizooba aha St John's Cathedral omu rubuga Fort Portal okwayetabamu abantu bingi. Bishop Kisembo yashobora kubyara emiti n'ekintu kirungi.
Target of 50 million trees as Church of Uganda. So we want to support that campaign. We're planting trees in your own compound, this plant them, and the boundaries of this land, cathedral compound, church compound, schools and hospitals. We want to avert the effects of global warming as church. We want to spearhead that effort because originally they used to call it global warming. Now it's global heating. Global heating, global heat because of destroying trees. As we know, scientifically, trees breathe in carbon. They breathe in carbon. They breathe out oxygen. So where there are trees, there is good air. Where there are no trees, there is a lot of polluted air.
Muringo nugo gumwe yarabura batura ahabuza ubwo kushisha by'obuhangwa arukushaba ngo bakwatanisize hamwe omuhururu ya Save River Mpanga.
Cleanup exercise will take place on 22nd of this month, beginning at the NFA offices near opposite post office, yeah, the community hospitals shall start from. The first one participate in that campaign. We want to reduce common plastics and river pump and everywhere. So let us not just little plastic papers and bags everywhere. So that in the city, exposing those plastics and caterpillars responsibly.
Mpindahinduka y'obwire, Bishop yashaba abantu okukoresa omugisha gw'enjura bakejumbira omu kuhinga.
Also in this rainy season, as always, I want to encourage you, plant as many food crops, cabbages, tomatoes, sugar canes, matoke. Let us utilize these rains. We should not just use a tree, and plant anything. Let us use this opportunity to plant as many crops as possible. These days, we encourage us also to plant pasture for animals. That is present 7 is 4 acre model, 4 acre model. 1 acre with coffee. 1 acre with food crops. Another acre with the fruit trees. That's also present service big fruit trees.
Omubutumwa bwe bwa Easter, Kisembo yashaba abatura okujaguza n'obujunanizibwa na mnongo bukabarore hamwe na Fort Portal bebembire omu burwire bwa siriimu.
There's a problem of HIV as you know in this region, this city. The other day I went to Kegelo for a function, and the MC was mocking me. Hey, Bishop, they have come from Fort Portal. I understand there's a lot of eggs there. So the first part is that it was from Fort Portal. True, that's what I said. But somebody said, hey, Bishop, come down to Fort Portal. Very sad for us. So I want to ask us people for Fort Portal, please stop reckless, sexualize when I use them. Let us observe security because as a Christian, that is the seventh commandment. Thou shalt not commit adultery. So have self-control of your bodies.
Dr. Richard Rabhinga, mukuru w'entebe ya katana wa district ya Kabarore, yashaba abatura okukora obutumwa bwa Bishop bari kujaguza n'obujunanizibwa.
Fort Portal nekyatwara ekikaro ekyahaiguru na pasenti ningiri 14 ha 10 kandi Kabarore na pasenti 9 ha 10. Mwihanga lyona Kabarole tulibakana kandi Fort Portal ningire cyalo mu kikaro ekyokubanza. So kini kiteri ibanja nk'abakristayo n'abakristo ngo tukujaguza Easter enu tugarukeyo kwerinda okubabesigwa bitunokozesa emiringe nyakutayirweho okurora twayetantara kagingo omunywerero.
Ubwahati urubuga rwa Fort Portal ryabucweka 14 kandi district ya Kabarore ryabucweka 9. Amakuru agagasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki abwatayali West Fort Portal.